Hi guys, when you buy a computer with only one drive, or if you want to partition a hard drive into new drives, today we're going to teach you how to split partitions into drives and how to merge drives when you want a larger drive. A normal computer has one or more drives, so we can separate or merge the drives together. The only partition we have is a C drive, so we can split the C drive into different partitions, and then we can divide the partition into hard drives. Step 1, you right-click on this PC icon, select the Show More option, or open it with the combination of Shift plus F10, then select Manage. The computer management window appears, and in this next window, you select Disk Management of the storage item. The drives on your computer will appear. There will be partitions on the hard drive, you just have to decide which partition you want to split. To split the drive, first you right-click on the drive you want to split, as if you have a C drive, you will select C drive. If you would like to split the other drive, you will also choose the same, then select Shrink Volume. A drive separator window appears. In this window, there are 4 cells displaying capacity, with capacity expressed as megabyte. For 1 gigabyte, it is equal to 1024 megabyte. The first cell shows the total capacity of the drive. The second cell is the total available capacity. The third cell is the capacity of the drive you want to split. The last cell is the remaining capacity of the drive. We'll divide the new drive into 200 gigabytes, then we'll put 204,800 megabytes into this third cell. If you want to divide the drive into how many GB, multiply the GB by 1024, which will give you the number of megabytes you need to enter. Note that when dividing the drive, the maximum amount of space that can be divided is the remaining space of the disk. However, you should not divide it all because it will cause the curvature to be full, causing the disk to be full. Then select Shrink. A unallocated drive appears. This drive cannot save data. Checking in the Window Explorer does not show that drive. If you want to use the drive, you right-click on that drive and select a new simple volume, then continue to select Next. Next, here is the letter for the drive. Depending on your preference, you can choose any letter. We will leave the default, then go on selecting Next. Here you can name the drive in the volume label box. As you name the hard drive that can be data or game to you, choose Next, and finally select Finish. So you've successfully split a new drive. Check again in Windows Explorer. There has also appeared a new drive. You can split into different drives depending on the needs of use. For example, we will share a new disk with a capacity of 100 GB. You can also do the same as in the tutorial above and split a new one. Next, I'm going to show you how to fold drives because sometimes we want to increase the capacity of one drive so that we can hold more data. You can merge 2 drives into one, or you can merge part of the capacity of one drive into another, but you can only merge the right drive into the left drive, and the 2 disks must be next to each other and separate from each other. Note that the drive you want to fold first has to transfer all the saved data to another drive to avoid losing data. Like my computer, you can merge a C drive with a F drive or a F drive with an E drive, usually 2 drives next to each other. It's like I want to. You can't merge a C drive with an E drive. If you want to merge, you need to merge a F drive with an E drive first, and then merge a C drive with an E drive. Then split the drive like the drive at the top of the video. First, you right-click on the drive to be folded. We select the foldable drive, so right-click on the E drive to select Delete Volume. The authentication window to delete appears. If you choose Yes, you will have an unallocated drive. Next, you right-click the folded disk cell, which is your F drive, then select Extend Volume, then select Next. The extended volume window appears, and there are 3 cells showing the volume. The first cell shows the amount of disk space to be aggregated. The second cell is the total free capacity of the drive to be aggregated. The third cell is the amount of space you're going to choose to put into the drive. You can choose the number of megabytes to fit into the drive, select all or a portion of the capacity. We will select 100 GB, so we will refix at this box is 102,400, and then select Next. Then choose the Finish. So we folded 100 GB of the E drive into the F drive. If you select all capacity, it will merge into a F drive. Because we chose 100 GB, the E drive is still 100 GB and it's an unlocated drive, so you need to format it again for E drive, like the format split the drive out at the beginning of the video, then you can use E drive. So I've taught you how to partition hard drives that can be separated and folded without using the software that I mentioned above. Good luck, hello, and see you again.